Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes.
Dear Mom and Dad, where to even begin? You guys have been an immovable rock for me. You've taught me so much as one can about life and how to operate it. Then there's Kim. You guys have welcomed her into our family since day one, and for that I'm forever grateful. She is beautiful, intelligent, hardworking, a motivator, holds me accountable, works on bettering herself and our relationship, what drives me to succeed, and most importantly, a pain in my backside. Well, that's as it should be.
And I'm feeling like you were something I won't lose. I swear you'll always be a part of me.
I look like a princess.
You are?
Oh my god. Thanks.
You are so beautiful.
Yeah, I'm shaking right now.
It's gonna be great.
Mm-hmm.
Wait till Matt sees you.
I know, you think he's gonna cry.
Oh my gosh. Yes, he is. Yeah. I love you, honey. I love you.
I'm not sure if I even really know me. Something in you feels like myself.
It has been our greatest joy to watch you develop into the beautiful woman you are today. We know you and Matthew will have a blessed life together.
Today, as we see you ready to join your life with Kim's, you are ready.
Marriage is two imperfect people who refuse to give up on each other. Marriage will not always be easy, but we are proof that it is totally worth it. Sorry.
Moral of the story is that you guys are amazing parents, relatives, friends, role models, and I hope I will be the same for my family one day. You will.
We love her and wish you both nothing but the best. Life is not easy, but together you can overcome anything if you stick together. We love you both and believe that you will live a long and blessed life together and you will get through anything.
Now let's do the damn thing. Love always, your Bebop and Scooty Sky.
Let me just say thank you for enduring in my crazy, extra, over-the-top ideas, not only today, but every single day for the rest of our lives. From the time we started dating, I hoped it would be you. I have dreamt of this day for a while now, and I can't believe it's finally here. You have been a constant in my life for almost about a decade now, and I can't believe I will be able to call you my husband in just a few short hours. There isn't a single other person on this planet that I would rather walk down the aisle towards. Let's be serious. I'm sprinting.
I am your Superman, finally. Today is going to be so special, and I hope it is everything you have ever dreamed of since you were a little girl. You're going to look so beautiful in your dress, but I guess that's just a normal day for you, isn't it? You are a coach's wife, baby. You are kind. You have the kindest heart of almost anyone I know. I love that about you. It's rare to find someone who cares about others the way you do.
Now let's do this. Love, your assistant coach for life, your wife, Kim.
I love you more than you will ever know, Kimberly Ann Curitan. Has a nice ring to it, doesn't it? With unconditional love, Superman. Sorry.
There's a way I see you in this moment. I will hold it all of my life. And I'm
Okay, babe. You look beautiful. You look great, babe.
Back.
Booty.
Yeah. Cute though, right?
Yeah.
You look so good though, babe.
Thank you.
This
You do
looks so
too.
good. This looks so good.
I couldn't get the tight pants though.
No.
Sorry.
That looks so good.
slow dance on New York City.
For as much as Matt and Kim have consented together in holy wedlock, I witness the same before God and this company, and thereto have pledged their faith each to the other, declared the same by the joining of hands and the giving and accepting of rings by virtue of authority. Trust in me, under the laws of our beautiful state today in Tennessee, it's my privilege to pronounce you your husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. That just means don't let anybody mess it up. This is the best part, dude. You get to finally kiss this beautiful bride of yours.
As a father of a daughter, I wondered and honestly worried a lot about what the future would bring for my daughter. Would she be happy? Would she meet a nice young man? Would she fall in love? I realized after writing the 38th revision of this speech that I'm not worrying anymore. And it's because of that young man right there. You have given me relief. You have given me relief, my man, and I love you for it.
I don't think that anyone can deny how much Matt cared from Kim, even since the beginning of their relationship. In fact, he was so infatuated with her that he even took a job as the Chick-fil-A cow so he could work at the same Chick-fil-A as Kim.
Matthew and Kim, Sherry and I wish for you a long and happy life together, one in which you experience great joys and that your difficulties and sorrows be small, and that those difficulties become fertile ground for positive fruit to grow.
I think we all knew really early on we'd be here showering you with love today.
You are great together. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness, love, and laughter. May God bless you both and your marriage. Cheers!
I don't have anything prepared because I wanted this to be real and raw and just from my emotions, but okay, hang on. I do truly want to thank every single person that is in this room currently. You all mean the world to us, and we could not have imagined this day without each one of you here. So truly thank you from the bottom of our hearts for being here. Let's raise our glasses, and it's time to party. So cheers, everybody!
What she said.